India's tally of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 jumped to more than 2.15 million this morning after 3,49,315 cases and 5,244 deaths were recorded in 1 week, according to the Union Health Ministry's data. According to the Health Ministry's dashboard, there are 21,53,011 infections after 64,399 COVID-19 cases and 861 fatalities were reported from across the country between yesterday and this morning. Deputy Commissioner of IMPHAL West District Naurim Praveen has announced containment measures in different parts of IMPHAL West. The places are Thangal Bazar opposite City Police Station, Wahingbam Lekai, Sagolman Kangabam Lekai, Uribok Takhelambam Lekai, Khagempali Ningom Leirak, and Sagolman Tera Khuraijam Leirak. The DC also announced the same measures at Hotel City Heart at MG Avenue and Padma Hotel at Thangal Bazar. The DC in a release added that anyone found violating the containment measures will be punished. The total number of COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur has climbed to 3,635, with 75 persons from the general population and 94 personnel of Central Armed Police Force tested COVID-19 positive at different diagnostic centers. One person was discharged from COVID care center at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) in the past 24 hours. So far, 11 persons have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state, while the number of active cases stands at 1,697. 1,927 coronavirus patients have cured in Manipur till now. 10 people were killed in a major fire caused by a short circuit at a hotel which was being used as a coronavirus facility in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada in the early hours today, according to a media report. A private hospital had leased Hotel Swarna Palace in Vijayawada to keep infected COVID patients. Taking to Twitter, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he discussed the situation with Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Movement of people in ISHOK village of Bishnupur district has been banned after 4 doctors and 1 nurse at Laimopokpam Primary Health Center were tested positive for COVID-19. According to our Bishnupur correspondent, following the development, Bishnupur District Deputy Commissioner Nita Arambam declared Laimopokpam area a containment zone yesterday. Volunteers of local clubs in ISHOK village have erected drop gate at the entry point of the village, and they are monitoring movement of people day and night as a preventive measure against the spread of COVID-19 in the area. Pradhan of Wangjing Gram Panchayat under Thoubal district, Tekcham Ongbi Sumila, along with ward members, today provided edible items to more than 1,200 households under Wangjing Gram Panchayat. COVID-19 protocol was maintained during the event, our Thoubal correspondent said. In Assam, the Special Court of National Investigation Agency (NIA) has rejected bail plea of peasant leader AKHIL GOGOI. Anti-corruption and right to information activist AKHIL GOGOI has been charged with sedition, intention to cause riot against national integration, punishment for criminal conspiracy, and unlawful association, amended Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. A Bharatiya Janata Party BJP worker was attacked in Jammu and Kashmir's Burgam. He has been shifted to Sri Maharaja Hari Singh Hospital, as per a media report. The police said that Abdul Hamid Nazar was on a morning walk when unidentified gunmen fired at him near Ompora. 38-year-old Nazar, who belongs to the other backward class, was the district president of the BJP. This is the 3rd attack on a BJP leader or worker in last 5 days. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh today said that India is now ready for the big push to the Atmanirbhar or self-dependent initiative announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Taking to Twitter, Singh announced that the Ministry of Defense is now ready for a big push to #Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Ministry of Defense will introduce import embargo on 101 items beyond given timeline to boost indigenization of defense production.